Hey guys, today we are going to do a peekaboo, and we're starting with our prepped cup. I painted it a coral from Rust-Oleum, and I am putting a thin coat of epoxy on it right now. We're getting ready to add our glitter. I do apologize, my phone stopped recording when I went to put the glitter on, but this is it after 2 coats of epoxy. And here I am putting on some honeycombs. I just got them off Cricut, and I'm just gonna put them on in little clusters, kind of randomly around the cup, leaving a space for a decal. So after I have them all applied, I'm going to take it outside and spray it with deep forest green from Rust-Oleum. And then after that dries, we get to take our little honeycombs off and expose that pretty glitter underneath. So you're going to want to be really careful when you go to peel the vinyl off, because whatever your tool you're using could like skip off of it really quick and scratch your paint. So just take your time, go slow. Also, a removable vinyl or stencil vinyl is going to be easier to get off, but if you don't have that, permanent vinyl is fine. I have used permanent vinyl tons of times and it's been fine. Sometimes it could leave a sticky residue behind and you might have to try to scrape it off or use alcohol very carefully, that way you don't ruin your paint. So we're done peeling those off, and I'm gonna put just 1 coat of epoxy was fine, and then I got these little offsets, and I'm just going to place those, a couple on each cluster, just wherever I think it would look best. Don't mind me using my transfer tape until I absolutely cannot use it anymore. So this is the first of 4 bee-themed cups that I'm doing for my kids' teachers for the end of the year. And each of them will be done with their favorite colors. So stay tuned for that. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the cup. Would you have done anything different? And once I finally get this decal on where I want it, which it didn't actually go where I wanted it, I had the cup turned a little too much, so there's a little bit more space on the other side, but oh well. But after this, we're going to do 2 final coats of epoxy, and then it will be finished. I did forget to mention that I did put some super fine glitter into one of the coats of epoxy so it would have some glitter all over as well. And here she is all done. I don't know why the video is so dark. I'm gonna have to mess with my settings, but turned out cute. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.